Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
100% organic raw mango tea. But first a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please wash them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. Set up a chopping board and a sharp knife. And now to cut 1/4 slice of raw mango for a hot cup of tea, approximately 150 mils, or half of raw mango for a glass of 300 mils of cold tea. When done, remove the skin and chop the pulp of the raw mango. Be careful, but chop the pulp. When done, add the chopped raw mango, a few leaves of garden fresh mint, juice of 1 lemon to a blender and blend. Now, when done, this is what it will look like. Now, these are the handcrafted varieties of tea grown and hand-rolled by Vijaylaxmi Natural Farms at Ooty. Contact details is given in the description if you wish to place an order. And today I will be pairing green tea with raw mango. Why the choice of green tea? This is the reason. These are the health benefits of green tea. That is why I have chosen it. Handcrafted natural long leaf green tea, 2 grams or 1 teaspoon per every 150 ml of water. This is the ratio. Now, take water from any natural source, say around 200 ml, and heat the water to 61 degrees centigrade or 142 degree Fahrenheit, but maximum above 87 degrees centigrade or 189 degree Fahrenheit. I have taken the second reading, that is 87 degree. When done, switch off the flames, offload the hot water onto a teacup, teapot, tea brewing or steeping container or a glass, and pour the hot water into it. When done, now take a strainer, tea strainer that is, and place the leaves in it. This is the process of steeping. Allow the tea leaves to steep exactly for 3 minutes, and this is what it is going to look after 1.5 minutes. But let them steep. Now set up a glass. I am taking Pilsner as usual. Mash and strain the blended raw mango, mint and lemon juice. Use a strainer and mash it well. When done, this is what it is going to look like. This is more than enough. Now, optional ingredient, any natural honey. But wait, if you want natural taste and flavor, then skip the honey. But if you are looking for a sweetish taste, add the honey and the ratio I have already given. And this is what green tea is going to look after 3 minutes. Perfectly done. Now, add the steeped green tea to the raw mango, mint and lemon juice. Allow the infusion to occur. Garnish if you wish to serve it hot. And I used a sprig of green fresh mints and a snakelet. For cold tea, chill tea, add ice cubes. But remember to serve not only your friends but your enemies also.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.